Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the ACCUPHY PingLive Mini. I did already open the package because it looked like Customs had already opened my package or somebody, and I just wanted to double check and make sure everything was in here. It is. And so just for you guys who are getting your package for the first time, there is ACCUPHY tape on here and it should be not opened. You would notice if the ACCUPHY tape was opened. It's kind of like a security measure that will allow you to get your package and know if it's been tampered with. So today we're opening up our ACCUPHY PingLive Mini. So on top here, looks like we got some nice ACCUPHY stickers. Basically we got it in white and we got it in black. Probably gonna go on the tackle box or the boat. Inside the package, we have our ACCUPHY PingLive Mini. To see is to believe. It was well packaged with some different things that are gonna keep it from getting damaged. In the box, we have an owner's manual, basically like a Ping Mini sonar installation guide. We got the ACCUPHY Router 1. This is basically what plugs into the battery. So we're gonna have to power our Wi-Fi router. So this is what's gonna communicate with your device, your display device, whether it's like an iPad or an iPhone. Right now, there's not a whole lot of information and people using the ACCUPHY PingLive Mini yet. So I was gonna try to be one of the first people to be producing content with it. This is the male side of what is going to plug into your forward-facing sonar. So these two ports are going to be going together, and we're going to be finding basically a way to mount our router to our forward-facing pole, basically our sonar pole. It actually looks like really high quality connections here. They look waterproof. This looks like it has a waterproof grommet for closing it and keeping it nice. I was expecting some Wi-Fi antennas, but maybe it's all internal now. This is the Mini, so everything is smaller and compact and well thought out. I haven't used this unit yet before. I'm not affiliated with ACCUPHY. I'm not sponsored by them. I bought this with my own money. So this is the sonar unit. Looks like a really long cord, so we'll be able to run this all the way up our pole. Also might help in the summertime for mounting onto the boat. So I haven't set this up before. I'm very new to the LiveScope community. This is my first LiveScope that I've owned. Looks like we got basically the pole mounts in this bag here. Basically it looks like varying sized pole mount adapter, whatever thickness of a pole you end up getting. We ordered the HD pole, but this is the hardware. Looks like you got a few rubbers. The plastic feels like a really good sturdy plastic. The hardware looks like some really solid hardware. Got your branded ACCUPHY knob. It's a new company. I've never heard of them up until super recently when I was looking at different options for sonar. PingLive Mini transducer. That's what this is right here. This is the PingLive Mini Router 1. Looks like we have some more mounting type. I don't know actually, we'll see what's in here. Looks like we might have options for how the transducer head mounts. So depending on what we're mounting it on, it looks like, because this shoe looks like the same type of pattern as, yeah, so it looks like we have different styles, mountability for our shoe. And so this bag, I'm just gonna dump it out. Looks like we got 5 little screws with some Loctite on it maybe. 2 plastic washers, and we got our angle unit. Looks like 3 of these little screws are gonna be going into this to hold it onto whatever you're mounting it to. And then we got a big bolt. Oh, that's the one that is gonna hold the head on. That one's gonna go like this. All right, looks like we have a different mount style. This one comes with like screws that might go into some wood, maybe. Different type of screws. We have our, looks like the bolt that carries our unit with the nut. And we got 2 metal washers, 2 plastic washers, 2 smaller metal washers, and then a black plastic grommet. We're gonna be testing this ACCUPHY PingLive Mini out. We're gonna be using our cell phone, so we're gonna be using our iPhone, and we're gonna be putting it through the tests. We're gonna compare it to the other sonar type technology that's on the market. It's like the other live scopes by other brands. We're gonna be just kind of putting it to the test and seeing how much it helps when we're fishing and what we enjoy about it. Thanks for tuning in and checking out our channel. We're gonna be doing more and more fishing and hunting and trapping style videos. So once again, this is the ACCUPHY PingLive Mini, and thanks guys.